Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React Redux Toolkit. So today we are going to learn how to export your HTML to Excel. So let's see how we are going to implement. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here we have the npm package that I'm using, that is npm react html table to Excel. We have already created the HTML table. So now we are going to use this package react html to Excel. Okay. After this, you need to add this part, right? This is the react html2 table. Here we have the id for the text table xls button, right? We will click button, and we have a download table xls button. Table which table to xls. So you need to pass this id. Make sure you need to pass this id. Then file name, which file name it should be shows, right? Sheet name, button text. So these things we have to add, and you can see that we have added the react html to table excel. Okay, and here we have just created the button. Okay, and whatever the id table to xls, we have just pied it to the table id, right? When you pass this one, it will use this table and export them and convert them into the excel sheet, right, with the sheet tab table xls. If I go and check this one again, here we have going to export this one, second one. Okay, opening. It's already opened, right? Okay, so and you can see that the sheet. Okay, and we have this table name leadlist.xls, right? So this is how we are able to export the part, right? So all whatever data you want to export, make a table, give the id, use this package, click on the button, and it will help you to just export that into the excel sheet. So any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.